Welcome to ZKTeco. In this video, I will guide you through the process of deactivating the ZKBio CVSecurity license, both online and offline. Method 1. Online deactivation. In the software, navigate to the About section. Here, you'll find information indicating that this is an old server with an already activated license. Click on Online Deactivation and follow the prompts to download the license file. Click OK. Now, click on Download to obtain a file ending with sn.xml. Log into the new server. Go to About and select Online Activation. Fill in the required information. Click on Browse, upload the new SN file. And then click OK. Congratulations, your license has been successfully activated. You can also use the SN file for offline activation. For detailed instructions, please refer to the video on how to activate the license. Method 2. Offline deactivation. Save the latest SN file for older server license activation. This is an old server, and the license has been activated. Click on Offline Deactivation, then click OK and proceed to download the license file ending with bcacti.xml. Open a web browser and log into the website. In ZKBio CVSecurity License Deactivation, click on Activate. Upload the latest SN file, then click Next and upload the latest bcacti file. Once file validation succeeds, click Download to obtain a new file ending with sn.xml. You can now use this file to activate the license on the new server. Thank you for watching the video.